Good morning. We are here on Captiva Island. We've got a couple shell piles. High tide is coming in. Lots of just little shells. Haven't really seen anything big. Everything's broken down. This is Captiva Island. We've been to Sanibel so much lately. We decided to do Captiva to do a refresher to see which we like better. We are enjoying Captiva, but I will have to say, shelling on Sanibel is a lot better. But Captiva has a lot of fond memories for my husband. He used to come here a lot with his parents. And we were here on our honeymoon, so that is why we decided to almost knock my bucket over. Ooh, this is whole, Robert. Look at this one. Very nice. That's a good find. Anyway, that's why we chose Captiva for our 11th wedding anniversary. It is a very beautiful beach. But it is a resort. Oh, look at that random tree. As you can see, there's also turtle nesting spots. It's pretty crowded down there. It is a resort, so it's a little more busy than I was expecting, but that's okay. I can't imagine if they were at full capacity. I wouldn't want to be here if they were at full capacity. Can you imagine that, Robert? It's already pretty busy. And they're not even allowed to be at full capacity. Don't believe any of the hotels in Florida are, I can't remember if it's 25% or 50% they're at right now, but they're not allowed full capacity. Oh, here comes the water. Oh, he's pointing. Oh, thank you, honey. He saw a spiral. Oh, there's a spiny. It's not a spiny jewel though. A little broken down, but not bad. It's hard to get a good spiny box. Spinies break off way too easily. If you want a perfect one, you pretty much have to buy it in a shell shop. Oh, I see a spiral, but don't lose it. Right there. And my braids are getting in the way. Ooh. Is that what you see? It's an interesting color of scallops. There's an airplane. Lots and lots of little shells. Oh, I'm sliding. The tide is washing me away. That is green. Probably from algae, but it's interesting. There's another piece of oyster. I like baby oysters. Here we go. Here's a nice shell pile. And there's something stinky again. Ooh, something stinky in this shell pile. What? You see something? You think it's the seagulls eating dead shells? There's no breeze to carry the smell away, so it is quite stinky. And there's never a hole.
Bright the inside of that one is.
How bright? I'm not for sure which one you're talking about. Oh, it's a cockle. High tide is coming in. Ooh. Hold on. There's a spiral right there. Oh, I just put that in the shade so you can't see. There's a little baby conch right there. anything else. See, if we were on Sanibel, the tide would be washing on bigger shells. Not here on Captiva. Yeah, it's a little hot. There is no breeze. No breeze today. It's pretty windy last night. I wore Robert's hat because my hair was blowing all over yesterday. Don't think I needed it today. No wind whatsoever. There's a spiral. And there's another spiral. Two spirals right next to each other. Oh, God, it stinks. I don't remember Sanibel stinking this bad.
No.
There is something dead on this beach. Whew. I did talk to a lady last night. She said there was a dead tarpon on the beach, but I didn't quite understand where she meant. I wonder if that's what's going on. It's a bit overpowering. A rock! I found a rock! Alright, I think I'm gonna have to take a break. I can't take this smell. Anyway, we're here on Captiva Island.